Hanap mo pa din bang big screen? I've been using this TechLife Pad Plus 2 for about a month now.
Yes, baka ito na din ang hinahanap mo.
Super nice because of its metal back premium design. Ang slick, ang thin, super gaan lang talaga siya dalhin. At ang pinakagusto ko dito, 12-inch 2K large display, 8 megapixel rear camera, and 5 megapixel front camera. Sa storage naman, it's 128
So it allows
gigabytes
to
store more. And it's expandable. Smooth na smooth ang gamit because of the MediaTek Helio G100 processor. Mas madalas ko na din itong gamitin for my editing. At super tuwang-tuwa talaga ako kasi yung large display na siya eh. Mas lalo kong na-enjoy ang editing. Especially itong back to school, busy sa paggawa ng name tags at label ng mga anak ko. At alam nyo ba, ang cute nitong laro ng bunso ko. Ang smooth ng laro nito. Mas ma-enjoy mo tong game na to. Because of the 90Hz refresh rate, scrolling makes it even smoother. And after a long day, syempre mommy time naman. Chill mode lang while watching my favorite Netflix series. It will give you an HD streaming. By the way, enjoy a free keyboard case from June 8 to 21 through offline stores. Ang ganda ng sound ano? It's quad stereo speakers, so it provides better sound. So if you're concerned about the battery, it's 9,000 mAh. That it can last almost an entire day. So, hindi ka na kailangan charge ng charge. It supports 4G LTE, so kahit walang Wi-Fi, aux na aux. So ano, nakapag-decide ka na ba? Kung ako sa'yo, go for TechLife Pad Plus 2.